Welcome to this Cadline video showing you how to use the document level controls within DynamicAIM. At building level, you can view all models, documents and files. By opening a folder, e.g. the Office, we can use the Edit Document button to update a file. In the Edit Document window, we'll update the name for this chosen file. Once we've changed the name, we'll then press Save to commit the changes. If we press the Refresh Folder button and then view the same file, we can see the details have been updated for our file. Next, at document level, choose the Edit Hyperlink button, where we'll change the name of the hyperlink and update the URL that it uses. In this example, to change it from the plant room to an Office 360 tour. Pressing Save will then commit these changes. If we press the Refresh Folder button and then view the same hyperlink, we can see the name has been updated. Choosing the dynamic view will then activate the new hyperlink, which now shows a 360 tour of the office building. Finally, at document level, let's choose to delete a document, for example the CAD DWG Floor 1 file. Once deleted, if we press the Refresh Folder button and then open the Office folder again, we can see the file has been deleted.